morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Friday morning, shortly after 7 o'clock. A warm front right here, a cold front right here. The coldest temperatures are right in here, actually, on the other side of this warm front, where there is a little bit of a concern for some light icing over northeast Nebraska. Most of us will not see moisture this morning, but what we will see is this cold front make its way eastward, and behind it, maybe not a lot of cold air initially, but there is a lot of wind with it. So winds are going to pick up out of the north and northwest. And they're going to be strong, gusting at times over 40 miles per hour, even stronger winds out west. Could start to see some very minor moisture, mainly light rain around the middle of the day here in the Tri-Cities area. But I don't think we'll see much frozen precipitation until later today. And by that point, most of the moisture will be out here to the east. So there will be a rain to snow change over here later this afternoon. But I think most of it will be to the east. The chances in the Tri-Cities are fairly low. In fact, for most of us, the biggest story with the storm system will be the winds. By later this afternoon, sustained winds of 20 to 30, maybe 35 miles per hour will be possible. Gusts could be up to near 45 miles per hour, maybe higher here to the west. I think our strongest wind gusts will be right in here. There could be some wind gusts up near 50 miles per hour today right in here. Meanwhile, eastern Nebraska, with that rain transitioning over to snow, blowing snow is a concern in the eastern part of the state. So if your travel plans do take you east tonight or later this afternoon, there could be some travel headaches. Much bigger issue over the border into Iowa and Minnesota, but maybe some minor issues in eastern Nebraska. Let's go into tonight, where there could be some wraparound snow, but again, this is mostly going to be an eastern Nebraska issue. Some models do have it as far west as about Highway 281 here, but most models are just eastern Nebraska here. So this will continue into the late night hours, but start to clear out by tomorrow morning. We even start to get a little partial clearing tomorrow morning. It's going to be a blustery and cold start to our Saturday. Temperatures plunging overnight tonight with those north winds staying strong. Watch how the winds will die back as the day goes on. Sunshine returns to the area. It'll be a chilly day out there tomorrow. But this warm front right here, it's already going to be a little bit warmer out west, and that warm front will push eastward as we head into the overnight hours of your Saturday night into Sunday morning. And with a few clouds around it, should be a fairly quiet night. Still pretty chilly out there, but Sunday, temperatures are going to warm back up quite a bit. So snowfall amounts in this particular model that I'm using, this is the higher end totals. So this, if I don't want to say worst case scenario, but if we were to see more snow than expected, yeah, we might get a few tenths of an inch of snow in the Tri-Cities area, but I think otherwise it's going to be fairly minimal for us. And most of the snow that falls in the Tri-Cities would come tonight. Eastern Nebraska, really from O'Neill to Lincoln to Beatrice, 1 to 2 inches of snow. Far eastern Nebraska along the Missouri River, 2 to 5 inches of snow in the Omaha area, Nebraska City. Much higher amounts will be east of the Missouri River. So if you're traveling east, then you have more concerns, but for the vast majority of us, I'm not too concerned about snow with this system. Right now, a winter weather advisory in place through later tonight for our eastern counties, but most of us are not included in any kind of weather alerts or weather warnings, advisories, anything like that. So this mostly includes, for the KSCB Local 4 viewing area, Lancaster, Gage, and Pawnee County, but otherwise it's all to the east from there. So really it is all about the wind and temperatures. Now temperatures for highs today, this is what your highs will be, but keep in mind, some of us will peak maybe just behind that cold front, and then temperatures will drop off once that front comes through later on today. So we'll warm up, and then here comes the drop in temperatures later on today. So by 5 o'clock, we're already much colder than that. And then temperatures will take the plunge tonight. We'll drop back into the single digits and teens for overnight lows. It will be a cold night out there for tonight into tomorrow morning. Highs tomorrow, chilly. Coldest in the east, 20s for highs. We should get close to 30 here in the Tri-Cities, mid and maybe upper 30s out west, even warmer in the Panhandle, and it's that warmer air that will spread eastward on Sunday. So Saturday night into Sunday morning, teens for lows, maybe some 20s out west, and then Sunday we're already warming back up, mid to upper 40s and lower 50s for afternoon high temperatures on Sunday. So looking pretty good out there for the second half of the weekend. It gets even better on Monday and Tuesday, 50s, even nearing 60 degrees on Tuesday. Then comes another drop in temperatures on Wednesday into Thursday. Small chance of snow Wednesday night, looks fairly minimal at this point. It'll be colder at night as well there, as you notice that low temperature Wednesday night into Thursday morning, much colder. Now the good news is that cold air may not stick around very long. In fact, now indications are that we'll warm up just a little bit for the very end of next week here, and that Arctic shot of air that I was talking about for the final part of January may not come to fruition. We'll see. Let's take a look at a couple of long-range models. This is the GFS model right here. Across the country, as you look especially towards the Arctic air in Canada. Again, here's the colder air today and tomorrow. We're warming up Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Shot of Arctic air Wednesday. This model's pretty aggressive with the Arctic air Wednesday into Thursday. And then warming back up Friday. Another shot of Arctic air by the next weekend. But notice the really cold air staying to our east with this. That's the GFS model here. Now I'm going to go off camera here and I'm going to adjust this now to the European forecast model here. So give me just a second and I'll change that over to the European. And it has to take a couple seconds here. There it is right there to load in the info for the European. There's the cool air for today, tomorrow. Warmer for Sunday, warming up even more Monday into Tuesday. Cooling down middle of next week, but just a glancing shot of Arctic air and then warming back up at the end of next week. And right now it's keeping the Arctic air to our east over the weekend and early next week. So there you go. So I'm out of time. I have to let you all go for today, but I want to thank you all for watching today, and I'll see you all again on Monday morning. Take care. Enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend, and God bless.